Thank you, Chris. A few days ago, Seth Godin wrote a blog post entitled Cloud. And in it he said, and I quote, "The web knows something, but it's not telling us yet. It knows how many followers you have on Twitter, how many friends you have on Facebook, how many people read your blog. It also knows how often those people retweet, amplify, and spread your ideas. So what if Google style, someone took all this data and figured out who has clout? Who is capable of making an idea break through the noise and spread?" Little did Seth know that he was talking exactly about what Tracker does. Finding people online who steer conversations. My name is Pierre Assayag. I'm the CEO of Tracker. I'm here with David and Derek to launch today Tracker's online authority list. It's a web service for marketers, PR professionals, and brand managers to find the people they need to connect with and engage online. So let's pretend that we are a PR agency, and we've just been hired by the Obama administration to re-steer the debate around the healthcare issues. No small task, right? So which conversations do I need to be part of? And most importantly, who are the people that I need to talk and listen to? Well, now with Tracker, you'll be able to do just this. So Derek here is going to create a search in Tracker's interface to try to find these individuals. And now we need to relog in because we got booted from the system. It's a highly secure one, as you can tell. There you go. All right. So we're creating this search. And just like it functions very much like a complex Google search, with the noticeable difference that we're looking for people, not web pages. But just like in other search engines, you enter a series of terms. So in this case, healthcare and Obama, healthcare debate, and let's not forget professional heckler, Joe Wilson. And once we're happy with the search selection, we can actually test the content along the way as we build the query to make sure that our series of terms make sense to the search we're conducting. Once we have this ready, what we do is that we submit the query into Tracker's engine. It then gets queued into our application. So let me tell you what's happening behind the scene here. What's happening is that Tracker is now conducting a deep search of the social web, looking for blog posts, tweets, videos, photos, all matching our keyword selection. It then goes on to find the authors of these posts. Where else they publish? Do they have a Facebook page, LinkedIn account, Twitter feed? And do they talk about healthcare a lot? It then finds all kinds of performance data on these people's feeds online to calculate the score of authority, what Seth Godin referred to as clout, to then rank and extract the top-seeded people in Tracker's authority list. So now let's try to fast forward a little bit and see what kind of results we got from our PR agent. So if we go back to our page, we see that now we have an active project in our interface, and let's access the authority list. We're now onto Tracker's authority list on the healthcare debate. In the middle column, what you'll see is a series of aggregate statistics on where these people publish the most, which platforms, very useful information as a PR agent, what kind of influential group they belong to, and some geographical information on where they're located. On the right-hand side, you see Tracker's authority list, so the top-seeded people on healthcare, in this case, the top 10. They're ranked and scored along 3 metrics that we use for our scoring system. The first is a metric of reach, which is very much a function of the size of the audience of these individuals. The second is a score of resonance, how far their stories travel. And the third is a score of relevance, how on point they are with the search we're conducting. We're also providing a series of detailed profiles on each of these people with description, some contact information, scores, the whole web presence and the performance they have on these different sites, and very importantly, the series of posts that match our search selection that really helps our users better understand these individuals as they start engaging them. Once they get in touch with them, they have the ability on the profile itself to log their contacts when they schedule an interview, have a phone call, and so on and so forth, right there in their profile to help you keep track of the contact history. You can also, as a Tracker user, manage the performance of your campaign and see how successful it is by accessing our performance reports that keeps track of the number of mentions you get from these influential individuals, and most importantly, what type of success you get from these different posts. So between Tracker's performance report and the authority list, you have really two powerful tools to conduct an interactive and engaging campaign online. It really helps these users. It really helps our users move towards this new way of doing marketing. So we created this list together around healthcare. As our PR agent, how valuable is this information to you? How valuable is it to you to know who the top 10, 20, 50 people in your field who talk about the same issues you care about and lead online conversations are? We, along with our early stage clients, really think that it's hugely valuable. We think that the future of the internet is about people, not technology. And knowing who you need to talk to, who has clout, is key to success. And with Tracker's authority list, you'll be able to do just this now. If you're interested in accessing the healthcare list we built together, stop by booth 42 and we'll be happy to share the results with you. If you want to know who's on your A-list, you go to tracker.com and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.